Hello guys, this is my new Insta360 X5 and today we're just going to do a quick unboxing because there are some nice stuff in this essential bundle box. It's of course the mine bag. It has a stick with some paper on it. Yeah. And it came with a battery, spare battery. And in this box you have room for 2 SD cards. You just slide it in. And there we go. Then we have this box with a lot of manuals. And let's take a look inside here because there are some interesting things here. A lot of papers. That's why it's so big. Well, it has some cleaning stickers. Looks like this on the back side. I think it's some kind of glue so you can remove anything from the microphone. And let's see, lens cap manual. There is some standard lens guard included. You have a manual for the case. This is for the fast charger, which again is also in the case. And you have some nice stickers. Have a manual for the battery. You have a small warranty card. Safety guidelines. And quick starter guide. Which then looks like this. And you have something called a Flexi Care. Oh, this is very bright. And you have some QR code you can scan for this one. And of course the usual silica gel. And now to the good stuff. Because inside this bag there is these nice things. You have the Insta360 X5 of course, with this silicone rubber protector. It has a battery already inserted to it. And here I have already inserted the memory card. You can see it down here. Yep. The battery is, let me see here, 2400 milliamps battery. There is also a new battery on the market which has an orange instead of this blue ceiling, which is definitely a bit larger. I will provide a picture or something for it. Okay. Then you have this amazing nice charger. This is for 2 batteries. You can see, yeah, okay, it's possible to open these 2 lids with the finger. Has a lid on the back side which you can save 3 micro SD cards. And the card is not falling out. It will be loose, but it will not fall out, no matter how much you're shaking it. You can use this as a battery bank when you have the 2 batteries inside, and on the bottom here you have a USB-C port. Oh, let's see if you can see it. Yes, we can see it. Like this. Very clever design. Put it back in place when you're not using it. Has a switch to switch on when you're using it as a power bank. Charging, USB-C. Yeah. And it has a green light that will change to red or green when it's ready also. Then you have this one. This is a lens guard, not a spare lens. I thought it was a spare lens when I first opened this one. But inside there you have 2 lens guards. And this is, I don't know if it's special, but at least they are inside this very tightly packed plastic. And then it's a good idea not to touch it with your fingers, at least not on the inside. And this guard has a notch or something in the bottom here. This guard fits over the lens. I need to see how to do this because it's a little tiny. There are some notches, and when you get them in the notches, you just put your finger into this groove and then you can twist it around until it says click. And there it is. Lens guard, no lens guard. Lens guard. And it will be straight down. You can see this notch. To take it off, you just use nail and twist it off. Like a little turn. There you go. And you can see there are some, I don't know the English word for it, notches, something for this one. Yes, that is also good to know when you get this bundle. Then to the case itself. Because this case, which has this nice logo on the front, has this custom made, not foam, but yeah, you see. This room was made for this one. So, if you are an expert better than me, then I'm wondering why are these slits for, or these holes inside here. It does not say anyway, any way. I have not found any place that explains this. On the top here, there is also some accessories. You have a charging cable, USB-C to USB-C. You have a pouch with a zipper, and that pouch has a spare pocket inside here on one side, and it has room for the Insta360. I think you need to remove this silicone to make room for it. And you have one more thing. It's not that big, but it is a cloth, and it also says Insta360 on the cloth. And inside here you have two small pockets. You have one here and you have one down here. And of course you have the big one with the lid over. And also on the outside you have this Velcro. You see, if you can open it. No, it's not something you can open. It is for this pole. You can open the Velcro down there and that's it. So you have to push it through. And then you can push it down again. Did you get that on the film? Yes, I hope you did that. You can also push it up, but no, it's much tighter. So when you open it, it will be easy to push out. Look it down. Yeah, much tighter. If you choose to buy this one, this X5 camera from the Insta360 site, and if you want to support the channel, you can use this code when you're checking out. It will help my channel, but it will not add any cost to you. So if we go to product, choose the X5, put it into the cart or anything else you want really from this. Go to checkout, enter the code, this one. Yeah, I already entered it. So it's down here as you can see, and the price is the same. And if you don't place the order, I will get a very small fee, but still it will help the channel. So yeah, thank you if you choose to do that. Okay guys, there you have it. Insta360 Essentials Bundle. Highly recommend this one. It's a very nice camera. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again in the next one.